Hey, what's going on? Yesterday I filmed just a typical day to show you, and it was really fucking boring, so I'm not going to show you that. Maybe I'll show you a couple of clips here of me getting frustrated. Well, I don't know. I'm just getting a fucking candle, okay? Here we have sardine rosemary, which is probably terrible. And over here we have Serenity by Jan scented bonfire. Alright, we're gonna choose one that's on sale because I'm not spending $30 fucking on a candle. It smells like nothing. Oh, no. It smells like fucking Irish Spring soap. Cranberry teak. I feel like if anything that's the one, but this one's above my price range. It's not good. It's not bad. Damn, it's only $1 more for double the ounces. Gotta be thrifty. It's $5.50 for this. Whatever, dude. I guess this is it. This is $50. $50. Do I buy it? Wanna go to dog park? Alright. Let's hit it. Hi. Hi, bud. Hi. Oh, hi. Hi there. Hi. Look at you. Oh, hi. Hi. Hi, buddy. Oh, you're a cutie. You're a cutie. Well, I'm gonna treat myself to some food. There's a place nearby called the Vegan Lasagna Company. So I was wrong, it's the Vegan Lasagna Garden. Super hard to find. Thought it was closed, but let's go try it. That shit was totally closed. I can't imagine why a shop specializing in vegan lasagna couldn't pay the bills. But I decided on Loving Hut, which is a super creepy place. It's a cult for sure. The owner and leader they call her the Supreme Master. Super weird, but it's all vegan, and I just got sick of looking, so that's where we're headed. Oh, well, that place was at a mall with really terrible parking, and I couldn't fit in any of the spots, so I left that. Now I'm at another vegan spot, Green Lotus. I've been trying to find food for like 2 fucking hours now, so we'll see how this is. Got some fried oyster mushrooms and chicken fried rice. So good. So I might just hang here because it's in the shade. There's pigeons. I mean, what more could you want? Also, when I was paying for my dinner, the young man behind the counter was like, "Oh, are you a YouTuber?" I was like, "Yeah, no big deal." But it's embarrassing because I have like 75 subscribers, and I was like, "Yeah, I am, but I don't have many subscribers." And he's like, "Oh, well, I'll subscribe." Super nice. So yeah, it was great. Hi, guy from the restaurant. But other than that, not worth showing. But today I purchased this bad boy off Craigslist, open box but brand new for $380. I feel like that's a pretty good deal because like I said in the previous video, will not support musk. My problem is it attaches to usually a ladder rack, which I don't have, so I'm trying to figure out how I can attach it outside. And what I think I'm going to do is, here's a flagpole. I know I say that word weird, thing. So first I'm going to fill the back in with this liquid nails to make it a smooth surface. Then I'm going to attach this Velcro, and then the Velcro outside somewhere. This is the heavy duty stuff, 15 pounds. I wish it were white, but it's not, so I'm not sure where I'm going to stick it. But then that's the plan. Then this bracket will mount around there. Something like that. I don't fucking know. So let's see what happens, shall we? Okay, well that cures. I have the rest of it hooked up and I just stuck the antenna outside. So right now I have 2 bars. See what happens. Is that it? You just plug it in and it's supposed to work? I don't get it. I have 1 more bar. I don't know if that's... Oh, there. Now I have 4 bars. Fuck yeah. Suck it, Musk. Fucking loser. Well, I put it together. I'm an idiot. Why don't I just put the Velcro right here and skip all that other shit? So for now, I'm just coming through the window and sticking it right there until I get something more permanent. Not pretty, but it'll work. On to the next project. Next project. I want to put a chalkboard right here. So I got this chunk of wood from Home Depot. It was in the 70% off pile because of this big old scrape right here. And then when I brought it up to the register, there's no barcode on it, and the woman was like, you know what, I don't even care. I'm not going to charge you for this since it's already 70% off. So I got it for free. So my first step is sandwiches. Stop. I don't know if you can hear it. Stop it. I'm going to cut out some templates for the corners and then transfer them onto here and then cut them out so they're round, and then I'm going to sand everything so the edges are smooth, paint it, then hang it. Man, sorry. It's kind of funny to see people's reaction when I'm out here doing this shit. Home Depot parking lot. So this one here has to be brought way in. Alright, I'm just gonna cut. Alright. Fucking lighting. Let's see what happens here. Go this way? No, go this way. Here we go. That looks good. Good enough for me, at least. there it is. I don't know. Looks good to me. Cool. Well, if this is the end of the video, please like it and subscribe for more stupid shit.